Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a MOTOROLA Moto G77 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer, tap on the keypad, and let's start with the shortest code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we're provided with both the main numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now another code, which is *#07#. And thanks to it, we can open this pop-out window with the regulatory information. All right, another code, probably more interesting one, is *#2486#*##. And here we are in the kind of a test, thanks to which we can check all of the components of our device. So let's simply tap on this first option, menu mode. And here we've got different sections of our device which we can check. So for example, we can check the display, camera, battery, etc. So just tap on the battery, for example. Here we've got the information, and as you can see, here we've got the information about our battery, about the health, the status, basically the level, voltage. So it will be useful if, for example, you feel that the percentage that is displayed on the status bar is not true. So you can enter this battery information here and check the exact battery level which is displayed here. For example, the display also. You can go to the test patterns and basically choose, I don't know, maybe medium color bar. I'm not sure if you will see anything, probably not. So maybe bright color bar. So right here we've got the different colors, and basically the aim of this test is to show us whether the display is working perfectly fine. So for example, if you can see the colors all across the screen without any kind of missing spots like white spots or dark spots, it means that everything is all right. And you can test it in completely different configurations. So for example, we've got the white with a black border. We've got also the medium color bar. I forgot that you will not see anything. You've got the black with a white bar, etc. So if everything is displayed correctly, it means that the display works perfectly fine. So this is how it works. As you can see, you've got a lot of things to test here. So have fun and check the components of your device. Another code is *##225###, and thanks to this code, we should be transferred to the calendar information like it was before. And basically here we've got the list of all events gathered in one place, so we can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. However, the thing here is that you can only check the total number of events in specific category, because we cannot really open the category to check some details, so only the overall number of the events. Another code, technical one, is *##426###, and here we are in the diagnostic mode. So basically we can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further technical information. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. So just tap on it, tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code, which is *##4636##, and here we are in the testing mode. So basically we can check the technical information about our device. So for example, Wi-Fi information, we can go to the status, we can refresh the stats, and here we've got the network state SSID or network ID. We can also run ping test here. We've got also usage statistics, so basically the list of all apps that are installed on this device with the usage time. You can sort them by usage time, last time used, or app name. And phone information, so basically you can check the IMEI number again, car network and data service, or voice service. Of course, you will be able to check the information if you've got your SIM card inserted. I do not have one, that's why it simply doesn't show any kind of info. Here you can also run ping test, and you can tap on the 3 dots icon to view fixed dialing numbers or enable data connection. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.